We have a CBS exclusive today. The unfolding saga over a major hospital chain has been facing questions about how it's using its resources.
That's right. CBS News has just learned that federal authorities in Boston have opened a criminal investigation into the chain, Steward Health Care, looking at allegations of fraud and potential violations of the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act. This is from a person familiar with the probe.
We're joined now by CBS News investigative producer Michael Kaplan. He's been following this story and can help explain what this really means. Michael, great to have you with us. What has your investigation revealed about the impact private equity ownership has on critical medical care at hospitals close to where many people are watching now?
Well, for the past 2 years, we've been unwinding a series of hospital closures, looking at the companies behind them, and we've uncovered some pretty troubling results. Companies where private equity investment has poured in, but at the same time, investors have siphoned hundreds of millions of dollars out of these companies. And the hospitals they operate are often in low-income communities, and we've seen devastating results with major consequences for patient care.
And Michael, talk to us about Steward Health Care. This is a company that owns dozens of hospitals around the country, but there was something that happened in Boston that actually put them under a microscope. Tell us about that.
Yeah, well, they're a Dallas-based company, but their biggest presence is in the Boston area, where they own 9 hospitals. And we looked at a case back in October where a woman went in to give birth and following her delivery, suffered internal bleeding in her liver. She was transferred to another hospital where she ended up dying, but it was later revealed that there was a device that could have potentially saved her life that had been repossessed by the manufacturer just a few weeks before because Steward hadn't paid about $2.5 million worth in bills to this manufacturer. And that's just one example of some of the issues we've been seeing with this company. At the same time, we found some of their executives riding high. One had a $40 million yacht. And so today we learned, along with my colleague Pat Milton, that the company has come under federal investigation for healthcare fraud and violations of the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act. They also are involved in some hospitals in the country of Malta as well.
It's so unsettling to hear that story of a woman who gave birth, lost her life. And as you say, you wonder how many examples like that there are. What has Steward said about the situation?
Well, they haven't commented on today's, on our story today, but they've previously told us that they always put patients first and said that they deny that there are any other considerations, i.e. profit, that go ahead of that. And they also say that it's a challenging healthcare environment, and they've done everything they could to operate to the best of their ability.
Michael Kaplan, thank you for your reporting on this.